Hi. Give this one up. This is our food for the New Year.
Yeah, this is our New Year's food.
New Year's food. Oh, yan na.
Convenience store. Wait,
Ibigay mo dun sa lady to punch. Lamig ng AC.
Cold.
Ano yung view mo? Tinanggal mo yung shoes mo na?
No.
Isa yung view mo
My
rin.
shoes are on the bed.
Here's our view. There. Cute ng bed ni Erin, oh.
I'm homeless. Bayad. Oh!
Oh.
Bayad, please.
Hello everyone, so we're live.
Happy New Year.
So few hours left.
Our view for tonight is
There.
wow, our front
Verge.
Al Arab. There. So
I'm here in
Oh,
Mati.
there's someone. There's someone.
And this one is from Mati.
Mati the Oriental.
Hi.
we're so excited.
Shout out Mati.
Boy, the Rio.
Shout out Matina.
Shout out mo.
Buhangin, shout out Buhangin, uy. Just mo na imo ang hikay, Jazz. Oh, nangaon na mi daan. Before mi magtanaw og fireworks. Muadto mi sa Verge at bang sa Verge by 10 p.m. So time check now is 7:15. Orange, orange. 2024. Well, more food on the table. Steady, steady, steady. Oh.
I'm graduating.
Erin's last year this
I'm
year.
gonna graduate. I'm graduating. Oh my gosh, what is their budget?
Thank you for watching.
Oh my gosh.
Who else are watching? Happy New Year to you guys, and thank you for watching. Continue watching the show. It's stunning. It's amazing. Only at Verge Al Arab, Dubai. Yes.
This is so long.
Amazing. Thank you. I think this would be all, guys. It's finishing. We're back in the room. Good morning, world. Happy New Year. So ngayon magluluto tayo ng breakfast. Ito yung sa akin. Oatmeal. And I will have the tuna. And ito yung all-time favorite. Minsan ito. Kasi tulog ko siya si Bali gising. Ito naman yung view ng apartment namin. Sarah. Mr. Coffee Sarah. Okay, wala tayong oil. Yung sauce na lang ng tuna ginamit natin. Let's gisa-gisa this one. A very simple recipe, guys. And the rice is almost done as well. This one is for my daily maintenance. Kailangan ko ng foods every morning. So, ito na yung rice. Let's try this one. Perfect. Nag-walking pa si Bad. So, after mag-walking, pwede na siya mag-breakfast. And the tuna is also done. So, that's it for the new year. We need to move forward. Stay happy. So this time, chill muna ako dito. Kasi wala pa yung aking habibi. Morning! So kami mag-walking. Tapos ang Miss Universe, magkuha na siya. Mag-swimming siya. Ano nga dayo? Nag-shower dito. Wow! Mag-kuha sa umantag ka na. Wala mo ko ka-shave. Mag-try ka pong ko mag-swimming. So, siya. Sige, swimming na. Naibed dito oh. Wow. Feeling ko. Bye. 15 minutes lang ko pag swimming na. Let's use the gym.